So, g'day people, how you going? Beautiful day to be up. Look at all this, a product of evolution. And one things that make my life seem so awesome is evolution and how things have evolved. So, like these birds. Can you see any birds? Birds evolved from dinosaurs during the Jurassic period? No, Jurassic probably 140 million years ago. So awesome. So when someone says, oh, birds are extinct, just say, no they're not. Birds are still around. I should say that again. When someone says dinosaurs are extinct, you say, no they're not. Birds are still around. Birds are avian dinosaurs. And avis is actually the scientific name for the group of birds. Most of these are passerines, which means they are songbirds, they produce the sound. Then you got birds like the emu, the kiwi, the ostrich, which don't produce sound, so they're another offshoot of bird. Oh look, there's the plane. Where is it? The plane, a fake bird. I can't find it. So, evolution is awesome. So we have grasses down here. Grass, beautiful grass. So, grass has actually evolved in the Cretaceous. They're actually angiosperm, which means they have flowers. So they're the same as those trees, the eucalyptus trees. Eucalyptus trees are a bit younger. I think the oldest fossil comes from South America. What's the oldest fossil? Probably Paleocene. So like less than 65 million years ago. Probably about 50. I have to look that up. Can't remember. But grasses evolved from angiosperms. And, well, we're not too sure what were the first angiosperms, but we know that they probably were not trees, but angiosperms actually, or flowering plants actually, took over quite quickly from gymnosperms and other types of seed-bearing or other types of plants that have an earlier origination, like cycads. Palms are actually a flowering plant. So cycads, ferns, liverworts, pines, anything in the pine or that produce a cone and seed. So beautiful, it's just awesome. And even humans like me, look at my hands, so grouse, so beautiful, man. Well, maybe, I'm not beautiful, but just the way humans have evolved over the past 5 billion years, really, 4.5 they say. But our form now has been around probably about between 200 and 800,000 years. It's debatable. The Homo genus has been around for a few 100,000 years, and we're the only species left in it. Humans. So our differences that we have now are just really superficial and are not really much to talk about. Then you have Homo neanderthalis, or the Neanderthals, Homo erectus. Some people say homosexual. Anyway, nothing wrong with being gay. But beautiful. And not only that, you also have the geology. The geology, quite now, it makes up what a species prefers. So the nutrient level within the soil, like here's pretty much basalt. So this is basalt rock. So here is basalt, so it's pretty rich, but it's clay soil, so when it gets wet, it gets really wet. It holds water really well and doesn't allow water movement that well. It also can form like aquatards or something like that. So if it dries and it solidifies, yeah, it's pretty hard to actually make it wet. So that's why this is not good for agriculture. Only for grazing, for grasses. And then in the mountains over here, you see behind me, that's all sandstone. It actually forms really loose soils, really permeable soils, so water can go down in it. And it's awesome. And that also produces another different type of fauna that actually likes to live over there. So awesome. So different plants adapt to different situations, and animals adapt to those type of situations as well. They adapt to the plants, and it's just really, really interconnected. It's just awesome. So evolution is great. That's why I like to read about it. I like to follow it. At the moment, I'm reading about the evolution of freshwater ecosystems, and it's pretty an awesome read. I'll leave a in the comments, or not the comment section, in the description, I'll leave who actually produced that paper. It's quite an interesting read. I reckon that you should all read it. So, evolution. If you've never actually known anything about it, maybe look it up. It's a very fascinating topic, and it describes everything that our history is about. So, have an awesome time, people. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.